Stringy strings. Write a function stringy that takes the size, which is actually an integer, and return a string of alternating ones and zeros. And as you can see, the string should have the same size as the actual integer. So when the integer is 5, you should return a string which has a length of 5. So what I initially want to do is just to multiply the integer with a string of 0 and 1, like this. 0 and 1. And there you go. And this already looks like we are on the right way. It has the right syntax. However, the string is 12 characters long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it should only be 6 characters long. So what I wanted to do was just divide it by 2, right? However, that's not possible. You can't divide a string like that in Python. However, if you want to divide a string, you can actually use the slice method. And what does that mean? Well, the syntax are the square brackets, and you have a colon, and on the left side, you determine where you want to start cutting off the string from the first character on, which is indicated by a 0. And what we want to cut off are the last 6 characters, right? And how coincidental is this? The actual argument is 6. So when we fill in size right here, save it, and return a string, we still don't get the answer. What's going on here? Well, let's put this between parentheses right here. And let's try it again. And voila, there we go. With the parentheses, we say to the interpreter, hey interpreter, please multiply the string by the argument. And only then you have to start slicing the result. And then we get what we want. Okay, let's try this out. And test. And there we go.